Hello everybody, I'm in the middle of a live session at the moment looking at ART82. Actually I've done quite a bit of collecting of this object. I'm onto the 32nd sub at the moment, but you can see a bit of a dog's breakfast actually in front of us here. We've got this is actually a stack where we can see lots of hot pixels. We can see loads of dust bunnies, particularly down in this corner over there as you can see. And really this is the theme of this short video is just what can we do about this and what does the tool provide us with by way of calibration options. Well, the tool provides us with hot pixel removal, which is really important, I think, and it also allows us to be able to collect flats and apply them and collect darks and apply them. It also maintains automatically a calibration library. But more importantly, what the tool does allow is it allows us to do a complete recompute of the stack in the middle of the live session. So let me take us through that one by one. So for instance, I want to get rid of those hot pixels. Normally I would have this switched on from the start, of course, but I switch that there and it tells me it's going to take 8.6 seconds to recompute the stack. So I'm going to click that and let it just work its way through the stack doing that. And this is going to apply to all the subs in the stack. And there you go. All the hot pixels have disappeared and any subsequent sub incoming now is going to have hot pixel removal switched on. Now let's see if we can do something about these dust bunnies here. So let's see how well the flats I collected earlier work. So I'm going to apply the flats. This tells me it's going to take 9.4 seconds. Now I should say that I could have done this at the same time as the hot pixel removal and saved a lot of time. I'm just sort of demonstrating the things independently. So we're going to do that now. We're going to do that recompute. And this is all happening whilst new subs are coming in, while the scope is outside, collecting all the data and so on. And there we have it. So I might need to do a bit of a stretch so you can see that those dark pixels have gone. But those dust bunnies have gone. But there they are. They're actually completely disappeared. And just to complete the triumvirate, I can apply darks as well. It's going to take less than 10 seconds. The point I'm making here is that any decision we take, apart from what object to point at and what exposure time to use, can effectively be reversed at any point during the observing session. And it's pretty fast. It's fast enough to do in between a pair of subs coming in, for instance. This fosters a much more experimental approach, and in a sense a less stressful approach to observing, because you don't need to worry about taking any decisions in advance, because they can be redone on the fly.